Hey everyone, welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a look at Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We'll discuss recent news and dive into the charts to analyze potential trading opportunities for June 16, 2025. First, let's cover some news headlines. Amazon is planning a massive $13 billion investment in Australia's data center infrastructure to meet booming AI demand. Analysts are maintaining a moderate buy rating with an average price target around $244.89. However, some analysts are concerned about large capital expenditures, primarily in AI development. Also, keep an eye on overall market sentiment related to the Fed's interest rate decisions and ongoing trade tensions, which continue to influence the market. Now, let's switch over to the chart and start analyzing the price action. We'll begin with the daily chart to understand the broader trend. Alright, looking at the daily chart, we can see Amazon has experienced significant volatility over the past year. From the start of February 2024 around $170, we see a dip in early August 2024 to around the $160 level, followed by a surge in November 2024 that hit over $210 before going down to approximately $180 in March 2025. Since then, Amazon has been trading within a range, showing considerable ups and downs. It is currently around $212.10. Let's narrow in on the last few months to analyze the recent price action more closely. From late March 2025 through today, June 16, 2025, we see Amazon has ranged from approximately $165 to a high in mid-April of around $190 before going back down, then ultimately reaching over $215 in early June 2025 before a recent dip. We need to watch that $215 resistance level closely. If it breaks above that, it could trigger a more substantial rally, fueled by positive sentiment around AI investments and strong earnings. However, if it fails to breach this level, we might see a pullback towards the $200 area, which appears to be a key psychological level. The low of about $165 from March 2025 is the major area of support. To get a better sense of short-term momentum, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. Here we can see more granular price movements. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart for the past few days, we can observe some choppiness. The stock has been fluctuating between roughly $211 and $214. This suggests indecision in the market, possibly due to the market waiting on some upcoming news. Let's further focus in on the 15-minute chart for today's intraday analysis. Looking at the 15-minute chart, it's quite clear there's a lot of intraday volatility. We can pinpoint key support and resistance levels for day trading. Near-term resistance appears to be around $214, while support is around $211. A break below $211 could trigger a quick sell-off. It's important to watch volume during these moves to confirm their validity. So, to recap, here are the key levels to watch for Amazon. On the upside, a break above $215 on the daily chart is a bullish signal, potentially leading to a move towards the analyst target of $244.89. However, a failure to break above that level could send us back to the $200 support level. On the downside, watch for a break below $200, which could signal a move towards the long-term support level of around $165. In the short term, we need to pay close attention to $211 in the intraday timeframe. Given the current market conditions, there is an equal likelihood of it going up or down in the short term. Keep an eye on any news or events that may drive market sentiment. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.